to check out today's video. So today's video is super exciting. It's another sensational wig from the same collection that I am rocking this one from right now. So make sure you keep on watching. You guys, before we get started, you know what you need to do. Hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications by hitting the bell so that you never miss a new upload from me. You guys, so today's unit is a part of Sensationnal's Empress Lace collection. This one is the unit Alana, and this one is in DX4130. When I picked this color, the color was not available on Sam's Beauty, but I figured that the 4 meant that there was like a brown dark root, and the 130 meant that like there was a 30 color shade in there somewhere. I don't know what the 1 is coming from, but yeah, I'm thinking it's a color mix between a number 4 and a 30. So we'll see. I was like, hey, why not get surprised? If you like the unit that I'm rocking right now, I do have a review up on this unit. This is another one that you can grab off of Sam's Beauty. So go ahead and click the link up here so that you can check out this unit as well. Alright, so I think I was right as far as the color. There is a 30 shade. This is the 30 shade. The 4 shade seems to be the shade that's like all throughout. This is pretty much a 4 everywhere, and then the 30 is just sprinkled in there as a color mix. The waves are really beautiful. All of these units seem to have this flare backwards, like it has this flare that goes towards the back of the unit. So I think the Empress collection is very like flared away from the face. You can see this unit even has it as well, and it's very well layered in that area. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take this one off of here. Again, this one is hard lace, so yeah, just be ready for that. Hard lace, I'll be honest, is not as comfortable for me as other units, but I will say that hard lace does stay in place better. It doesn't slide as much, but it does irritate my ears. Like all around here when I have hard lace, like my ears are so red when I take it off. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and cut the lace off of this one. I'm going to add some powder into the part. I'm also going to add some darkness around the lace area so that that gets concealed. I'll probably just use like a black powder to do that, and I'll be right back. you guys, so this is the unit. I think she is absolutely stunning. She's a winner. Only downside is the hard lace, you guys. Honestly, that's really the only downside that I'm seeing. The curls are bomb. The length is so cute. It's like just long enough, just short enough. Super cute. Love the bang area. I wish there were a few more layers on this side, and I wish that these waves didn't start so close to the front. That's my only critique on this haircut. Like, I would prefer for these waves to just be back here and for this to have a few more layers in it. But other than that, you guys, this one's real cute or whatever, okay? I'm serving you guys mesh realness. Get into this look. It's a whole look. Now that I put this hair on, it's a whole vibe, okay? And I feel snackish right now, like a whole snack. So it's just a lot going on with this look, and I'm here for all of it. If you are too, right here for it down in the comments. I love you guys so much. Make sure you are subscribed. Make sure you turn on your post notifications, and make sure you check out Sam's Beauty for Miss Alana, because she is real cute, okay?